Welcome to KEX, Construction Engineering. Today, we are going to handle foundation layout challenges and setting out for steel columns. This video is very detailed. It covers all you need to know when constructing foundation for steel structures. Let's move to site for the setting out. This is the 3D layout of a 25 meters by 15 meters warehouse. Take note of the grid lines, and other detailed drawings will be shown in this video for better understanding. Setting out. Place and plumb the first peg. From the foundation layout, extend grid line A. You can go up to the 25 meters length if you can. Fix another peg and tie a string line to it. In the same manner, let's extend grid line 1. Note that grid line A is used as reference line for this setting out. Square this properly. You can use total station or other methods to achieve this too. Extending to grid line B by 15 meters. Square properly. Let's go and confirm the other two corners. Now, let's give 2 meters offset for profile. Construction of setting out profile. Always use good wood to do this, so that the profile can last till when the foundation is completed. Now, having completed construction of the setting out profile, let us start transferring the established grid lines onto the profile. Grid line A and 1 transferred successfully. Now, let's start offsetting the rest grid lines as given in the 3D layout drawing. Offset 5 meters from grid line 1 to get 2. Offset 5 meters from grid line 2 to get 3. Offset 5 meters from grid line 3 to get 4. Offset 5 meters from grid line 4 to get 5. Offset 5 meters from grid line 5 to get 6. Good job! Now that we are done establishing the grid lines, let's go round and confirm all the measurement and ensure that they are correct before marking out the trenches. Now, let's start marking out the trench. Offset 350 millimeters to the both side of the grid lines. Okay, let's confirm every line before we transfer them to the ground for excavation to commence. Let's transfer and mark the trench on the ground. Note: we use sand or sawdust to do this marking on site. Read the drawing. I will use this to show how to mark column base on the ground. Let's do it manually. This is how to manually transfer column base from the center line of the foundation layout to the ground using plumb bob and builder square. Follow this method carefully or use other methods based on the site condition and available tools. Watch the above video for more in-depth knowledge on building setting out and foundation layout marking. Column base marking completed. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply, thanks. Ready for excavation. Excavation in progress. Inspection. Ready for blinding. Pouring of 75 mm lean concrete blinding. Providing 50 mm concrete cover. Read this drawing for base rebar details. Fixing of base reinforcement. Read the drawing. Position it to align with the grid lines and plumb properly. Do same to others. Pouring of 1600 by 1600 by 400 mm column base. Read the drawing for baseplate details. Coupling of 20 mm diameter anchor bolts to 400 by 400 by 20 mm base plate. plummet and tighten the nuts properly. Couple all this way before installation. Installation of 20 mm diameter foundation anchor bolts. Confirm the plumb and brace them properly. Here, I use equal angle iron for bracing, but you can use any good offcut steel section available. Fixing of 35 mm concrete cover. Formwork for stub column. Having aligned and braced the anchor bolts firmly, we can now remove the base plate so that it can be fabricated to the steel column. This method is adopted to maintain precision and to avoid anchor bolt and column misalignment. Before pouring of concrete, we need to cover that top part of the anchor bolt with masking tape to avoid difficulties when screwing down nuts. Yes, it's very necessary to prevent concrete from sticking to the threaded part of the anchor bolts. General inspection before pouring of concrete. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply, thanks. Formwork removal. Allow for proper curing. Ready for foundation block wall laying. Provide sufficient strip footing for the foundation walls. General inspection before filling and compaction. Filling and compaction in progress. Ready to fill and compact with hardcore. Filling the block holes with lean concrete. Placing of 50 mm concrete cover. Fixing of ground floor slab rebars. Pouring of 150 mm slab. Allow for proper curing. Now, let's fabricate base plate and steel column together. Ensure proper welding. Steel column installation process. Plumb and ensure it's vertically aligned. Formwork for grout. Grouting. General inspection before handover. Good job! This is how to overcome foundation layout challenges and setting out for steel column on site. You will need to watch the complete warehouse construction video. Check the video at the end of this video. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply, thanks. Watch the complete warehouse construction video that is displayed at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.